Hi, Troy here with Dirt Road Dancing, and we are now going to do Waterloo Revival's Backwood Bump. An absolute fun dance to do, whether you're in the backwoods or in the clubs. If you want to learn how to do this dance, click on the link in the description below and it will take you to our tutorial. Otherwise, let's get a bump on.
With that tactic, now it's Friday, we're punching that time slip. Hit the ATM, we're gonna cash in. Let's roll those bills. Yeah, we uptown funk in this stereo. Got some Backwood bump in this rodeo. Got the back porch turned into a dance floor. It's about to get real. If there's a message on your phone, that's me. If it's saying bring a case, bring three. Just ask Siri where the good times be.
Okay, let me find the heat.
We got them backyard halogens shining down on our crew. Got that hunch punch spilling out. Let me show you how we do. If you don't know how to do the nay-nay, pretty mama, it's all okay, yeah. Let me show you the way we do this thing. Spin it round, dip it down, till you hear the bassline thump. Front, back, side to side, that's how we do the Backwood bump. Tip-top floaties if you wanna get flip-flop. Got my homies on the grill with the beer brats going up in smoke. With that down home coming in a milk jug and that down south already rolled up. Girls in a CJ rolling up with that styrofoam toe. If there's a message on your phone, that's me. If it's saying bring a case, bring three. Just ask Siri where the good times be.
Okay, it's time to freak.
We got them backyard halogens shining down on our crew. Got that hunch punch spilling out. Let me show you how we do. If you don't know how to do the nay-nay, pretty mama, it's all okay, yeah. Let me show you the way we do this thing. Spin it round, dip it down, till you hear the bassline thump. Front, back, side to side, that's how we do the Backwood bump. Come on and back it up, yeah, let me see you back it up. Spin it round, dip it down until you hear the bassline thump. Come on and back it up, yeah, let me see you back it up. Front, back, side to side, that's how we do the Backwood bump. We got them backyard halogens shining down on our crew. Got that hunch punch spilling out. Let me show you how we do. If you don't know how to do the nay-nay, pretty mama, it's all okay, yeah. Let me show you the way we do this thing. Spin it round, dip it down, till you hear the bassline thump. Front, back, side to side, that's how we do the Backwood bump.